In this video, I am going to show you how to import your Blender creation into Roblox Studio. First, open your Blender project and go to the top left corner and click on File. Now, just go to the Export tab and hover over the Export tab and you will see new options appear. From the option, make sure to choose FBX as exporting as FBX is important because it keeps your textures intact. So you don't need to export them separately. So just click on FBX and choose your name for FBX. So I'm just gonna choose a folder where I will save it and I will name it GuideRealm and choose to export FBX. After I have exported my project, and I will just go to Roblox Studio, and in Roblox Studio I'll just press Ctrl and I key on my keyboard to open the search bar and just search for mesh part. So I'll just click on mesh part and you will see a mesh part will be successfully added. After that, make sure it is selected and go to your right hand side and you will see properties, and under properties just go to mesh content and just click on the file explorer icon like so and locate your file, which in my case is going to be GuideRealm FBX. So I'll just select it and click on open. Just click on yes and click on yes. Just wait for it to load. And as you can see, we have successfully imported our Blender creation in Roblox Studio. And that's it. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to GuideRealm for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.